Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Next, locate the alternator, which is usually found on the lower front side of the engine. Before you begin, always ensure the engine has completely cooled down to avoid burns. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Once safety precautions are in place, you can begin removing the old alternator. Start by releasing the tension on the serpentine belt tensioner, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that hold the alternator to the engine bracket. Keep track of all hardware for reinstallation. Now it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into its bracket and hand tighten the mounting bolts. Once aligned, fully tighten them to specification. Reconnect all electrical wires, ensuring each connection is secure and correctly placed. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly routed and has the correct tension. Double-check all connections before proceeding. With the new alternator installed, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and listen for any unusual noises, then check your dashboard for the battery light. Use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. This ensures your new alternator is functioning correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh. Proper maintenance extends your vehicle's life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.